After releasing the pick list in the web app, our picker can process the order with his mobile device and the pick list mobile app. Tap on the refresh icon in the upper right corner to display the currently released picking orders. Tap on the pick list to display all the items that need to be picked for this order. The next screen shows the bin location from which the items have to be picked and the number of items that have to be picked out of each location. The picker goes to the first bin location and picks one piece as displayed in the field order quantity. Tap on the first pick position. The modal Choose Picking Unit opens. The picker has to choose the picking unit in which he'll place the picked items. He can either scan the barcode of the picking unit or enter its name manually. Tap on the picking unit field to open the keyboard, enter Wagen 1, which means cart 1, and tap on OK. The next step is to select the load support type in which the picked items will be placed. Tap on the arrow and select Small KLT Bin. Confirm your selection by tapping on OK. This opens a screen with detailed information about the pick positions. The header displays the pick list ID, the total number of pick positions in the list, and the number of the currently displayed pick position. Underneath the header, detailed information about the item is displayed, including the quantity. The picker picks one piece out of the bin and places it in his picking cart bin. Tap on Withdrawn to confirm that one piece has been taken out of the location and placed in the bin. After the first item has been picked, the app directly shows the next item, its location, and the quantity that needs to be picked. The picker goes to the designated bin location in the pick area, takes two pieces out of the bin and places them on the picking cart. Tap on Withdrawn to confirm the second pick. The picker has now picked all needed items for this order. Hence, the app displays a destination for the picked order, so it can be packed and shipped. In this case, it's the Packing Workplace PA1, which we selected in the beginning. The picker brings the picking cart bin to the packing area and then confirms the delivery. Tap on Store. The app now reports that the picking order has been completed and that for the moment there are no other released pick lists. You can close the pick list mobile app.